Today, we're diving into the exciting world of layer styles in Adobe Photoshop. Layer styles are a fantastic way to add depth, dimensions, and visual appealing to your design. Throughout this tutorial, we will cover everything from the basics to more advanced techniques. So, whether you are a Photoshop or a seasoned pro, there's something for everyone in here. Okay, so let's start by understanding what layer styles are and how they work. In Photoshop, layer styles are set to effect that can be applied in layer at ultra as reference. So we will explore the different types of styles available, such as the drop shadows, inner shadows, outer shadows, and also the outer glow, inner glow, and also there more. So I'll demonstrate how to access the styles and adjust the settings and combine multiples effect to create an init lock. So now let's get started. Hang on, and I will work through the creating some basic effect using the layer style. And we will start by adding our drop shadows to the next to the text, and we can use the first. And let me add the text, and I'll just drag in here, and let me use the layer styles. Or I can just say this will be the layer styles in there. Just say the styles. Okay, so here now we have another layer in there. And now I will let me click over here and just click over here, and you can see there's the blending options. And when I take my cursors and use the blending options, now it's come up with this layer styles, and from here now you can see there's several layer styles like the blending options, the stroke, inner glow shadows, and also the drop shadows. Okay, now let's start with the drop shadows. Clicking over here, now it comes with the drop shadows as it preview, and we can see now you can also work with the opposites. If I want to use here, we have the different opposite. Now you can also use the settings in there, the different. Okay, so let's move into another, that is the inner glow, and we can now change the inner glow by using here. Now change, or you can change or see the fill up in this one, or you can change here the inner glow in there, and you can see here as the preview, or you can change the inner shadows in there. So it comes up with the inner shadows by clicking over here. It can give you the different one or the inner shadows in there. Okay. So this way you can change your layer styles and not only use the text and also use this one as the image, or you can also do this by going to the file types and use the open, and you can choose the pictures. If I say this pictures in here, and I want to work with this one now, so you can change here this layer styles by clicking over, right click over, use it. And before you can unlock this one and right click, use the blending options. You can do from here by using the FX icon. Now you can see here it says the layer styles by clicking over here, and you can choose here the different styles. Okay, so and that's a wrap. I hope this tutorial has been informed and inspiring. Layer styles are an incredible tool in Photoshop, offering endless creative possibilities. Don't hesitate to experiment and unleash your creativity. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.